welcome fall, which is a proper name for this season since the early 17th century. You might also know this as autumn, and that came from the French back in the 18th century. But did you know that there was another name for this season? It's called harvest. You haven't tuned into the History Channel. Oh no, this is RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. And in this season, no matter what you name this season, we're gonna be making, we're gonna be baking, we're gonna be doing some amazing fragrant recipes. You won't need any scented candles or artificial sprays. We're gonna infuse your home with cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger. That is the perfect match for this season. When people think of fall, they think of one thing, pumpkins. But they're forgetting one other important fruit, and that is the apple. It's neglected. No one ever really thinks about the apple, unless it's coated with oats and caramel. In today's episode, we're gonna make something so delicious. We're gonna make caramel apple oatmeal cookies. And if you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to hit this season. In a mixing bowl, go ahead and add 2 cups of brown sugar and 1 cup of softened butter. Go ahead and mix with a mixer until it's nice and coarse. Add 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and go ahead and continue to blend until light and fluffy. Add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon each of cinnamon, allspice, nutmeg, and ground ginger. 1 cup uncooked old-fashioned oats, and go ahead and add a package of caramel bites. Then use a rubber spatula and fold in the caramel and the oats inside the cookie mixture. Okay, now we're gonna dice up 2 small Granny Smith apples and 1 medium-sized either Pink Lady or Honeycrisp, your choice. You wanna chop and dice them up to make them nice and small. Take your diced up apples and combine it inside the cookie mixture. Go ahead and mix it all together until it's well blended. You're gonna go ahead and scoop up half the ice cream scooper with the cookie dough and place it on the baking sheet with parchment paper on it about a few inches apart. And you're gonna bake it at a preheated oven of 350 degrees for about 18 minutes, and you want it to look nice and golden brown. And here it is, the caramel apple oatmeal cookie. Today would be such a great day to have a bunch of family and friends over. Why? Because the house just smells with the aroma of freshly baked apple pie, or should I say, the scent of fall. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to dive right in. Let's try this out. Oh wow. The apple, the caramel, the cinnamon, the spices. This tastes like an apple pie, but in a cookie format. But the caramel, so nice and smooth, and the cookie itself is nice and chewy. I wish you guys were here to try this. It's amazing. To go along side by side with this cookie, coming soon, apple pie smoothie. Well, that pretty much wraps up today's episode. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to write comments down below. Hey, I want to know how this turned out when you made it. And keep in mind, it's going to be nice and chewy. And until next time, keep on rocking!